Yeah, welcome to my channel. I will give you information regarding scholarship. Many scholarship foundation releases their scholarship, but due to lack of information, many students could not fill up the form. So I am here to support you guys. Just subscribe, like, and comment, and get tuned with me. Today I will give you information regarding ONGC scholarship. Okay, first of all, you will have to search ongcscholar.org. This is the official website for ONGC Scholarship Foundation, and you will see that this. Okay, now today I will give you information regarding ONGC scholarship, which category get benefited, for whom this scholarship is meant for, what is the academic qualification, which courses get benefited from this scholarship, which category get benefited from scholarship, and what is the qualification marks obtained you will have to score, what the number of student will get benefited from this scholarship, what are the documents required for this, and what is the duration of scholarship, how many years you will get benefited from this scholarship, and terms and condition, what are the terms and condition for this scholarship, and I will give you information regarding selection procedure, and finally how to apply for this scholarship, and I will give you many information regarding how to approach the approach ONGC Foundation after filling of the form. So guys, just subscribe, like, and comment, and get tuned with me. So first of all, we will know from official website what is the criteria, what the scheme. Yeah, first of all, you can see that there are three or four category ONGC scholarship give the scholarship. Okay, first of all, economic section, general EWS. Okay, OBC category will get benefited, SC ST SC get benefited. As let's say OBC, what is the criteria for OBC? Yeah, first of all, if you are in first year of engineering student, MBBS student, or MBA or master in geophysics or geo program, okay, then you will get benefited. Must in first year. Okay, yeah, there are many terms and conditions for this scholarship. Okay, only 50% scholarship are reserved for girls. I mean, this is the vast numbers. 50% are scholarship reserved for girls, and you will have to maintain your 60% throughout the academic semester. Okay, and student belonging to other categories shall apply to respective scheme. I mean, if you are in OBC, then you will have to apply for OBC category only. If you are applying for STSC, you will not get benefited. Okay, and you must have caste certificate. Yeah, I will let you know first what are the terms and conditions. Okay, this is scholarship, the provided for full-time courses. Okay, you must have your active bank detail, and yeah, you must have your active mobile number and email ID. This is the main point. uh, Whenever they will approach you from here only. You must have your active mobile and email ID. Okay, yeah, a specific zone of a student can apply for the specific scholarship. Okay, yeah, if you are living in Karnataka, you are residents of Karnataka, and you are studying in Kolkata, then you will get into Kolkata zone. Okay, yeah, student only get one time throughout the courses. Okay. You will not get scholarship in PG courses, you if you will get benefited in UG courses. Okay. And it's all depend on ONGC Foundation who will get benefited from this scholarship. Okay. Or it only concern or the ONGC Foundation. You cannot tell them why I did not get selected for this. Okay. And ONGC Foundation has full right to disclose your discontinue your uh, scholarship without any prior notice. And you are getting the scholarship. This does not mean that you are employee of ONGC Foundation. Okay. Yeah. Now we will see that what are the documents required to for the submission of ONGC scholarship. Okay. First of all, you will have you must have caste certificate, and caste certificate in Hindi or English only. No Latin language will fall. Okay. Now you must have birth certificate. Okay. Class 10th mark sheet as proof, age proof. Okay. And this is the third point, is the most important point. You must have class 12th mark sheet in case of engineering or MBBS student. You know, first year of engineering student, MBBS student are get benefited from this scholarship. Then you must have your mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet. Okay. And yeah, for graduate, after graduation MBA or master courses, you must have graduation marks. Okay. Your family income certificate, bank detail. Yeah. Yeah, this is the main point. You must have your PAN card. Without PAN card you are not able to avail this scholarship. Okay. Now I will give you information that how much you will get benefited. Yeah. From all over the India, 500 student will be get benefited from this scholarship. 300 in engineering, 550 in MBBS student, MBA 50, master in geology or geophysics 100. Okay, only 500 student will get benefited. And you know, here you can see that India has been divided into 5 zone. So from each zone 100 student will get selected. Okay. And for 1 year you will be given 48,000, 4,000 per month throughout the year you will get. Okay. And if you will count that if your course of duration of course is 4 year, then you will get 48,000 into 4. Yeah, this is the vast money, bro. This is the vast money. Yeah. So yeah, 50% scholarship has reserved for girls. Now I can give you information that if you are a engineering student, okay, and only 300 will be get selected from engineering student, and 60 from zone 1, 60 zone 2, and like this. Okay. In that, if you are in zone 1, then you must have to come under 30 student, because 50% are reserved for girls. Okay. So 30 girls and 30 boys will be get selected. Now I will give you information that what is the selection process. Okay. Selection must be on the basis of aggregate marks, and lower family income will be get selected first. If your friend have 88% marks in class 12th and you also have 88% mark sheet, and if you are from lower income family, then you will get benefited first. Okay. If you have BPL certificate, then you can apply, you can attach them. Okay. Yeah, disbursement of scholarship. Yeah, here you can see that 4,000 will be given per month, but in my case I got 48,000 at a time. I mean, yeah, it was huge amount. It was very what I can say, very happy moment for me. Yeah, then I will give you information regarding how to apply, what is the application procedure for ONGC scholarship. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe and like, and so I will give you information regarding how to apply, what is the application procedure for ONGC foundation, ONGC scholarship. So get tuned, I will give you information in next video. Thank you.